Looking to stay cool and comfortable outdoors? The best outdoor standing fan for patio spaces delivers powerful airflow and durability to withstand the elements. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or relaxing on the deck, these fans keep the breeze flowing. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Outdoor Standing Patio Fan. The Shark Outdoor Standing Patio Fan is a top-tier option for anyone seeking powerful, adaptable cooling in both outdoor and indoor spaces. It boasts a durable, rain-resistant design, perfect for patios, cookouts, sports events, and beach outings, while maintaining a sleek, modern look that fits just as well inside your home. One standout feature is its InstaCool misting attachment, which connects easily to a garden hose, providing a refreshing mist that can drop temperatures by up to 10 degrees in controlled conditions. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or relaxing on the deck, these fans keep the breeze flowing. The fan offers the convenience of both corded and cordless operation, featuring an impressive battery that delivers up to 24 hours of runtime on its lowest setting and about 6 hours on average speed. When the battery runs low, simply plug it in and continue enjoying uninterrupted airflow while it recharges. The versatility of the Shark Outdoor Standing Patio Fan extends to its convertible design, allowing it to switch from a pedestal to a tabletop fan with the push of a button. This makes it easy to transport and position for targeted cooling wherever you need it. Another notable feature is its Breeze Boost mode, which can project airflow over 70 feet, making it effective for covering large patios or outdoor seating areas. Whether you're dealing with intense summer heat or just need to keep air circulating during gatherings, this fan delivers consistent performance. Number 2. Lasko Outdoor Standing Patio Fan. The Lasko Outdoor Standing Patio Fan is specifically designed to endure the demands of outdoor environments while providing consistent, refreshing airflow. Built with weather-resistant materials and UV protection, this fan is a reliable cooling solution for porches, decks, patios, and other open-air areas. Its robust plastic construction ensures durability, while its modern, neutral design complements any outdoor decor. One features 4 customizable speeds, including a unique night breeze mode that offers a quieter setting for evening relaxation. The louvered oscillation system allows users to direct airflow exactly where it's needed, making it an excellent option for gatherings or solitary relaxation alike. The adjustable oscillation ensures that no one gets left out of the cooling zone, and it adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor comfort strategy. Ease of use is a highlight here. Manual controls allow for simple adjustments of both speed and oscillation, while a generous 10-foot power cord with an inline GFCI and 3-prong grounded plug enhances safety and flexibility when positioning the fan around your patio space. The built-in carry handle makes relocating the fan hassle-free, letting you quickly adapt to shifting sun angles or seating arrangements. Assembly is straightforward and tool-free, requiring just minutes to set up out of the box. With dimensions of 12.78 inches by 12.78 inches by 41.59 inches and a weight of 15.11 pounds, the Lasko Outdoor Standing Patio Fan strikes a perfect balance between portability and stability. Number 3. Lasko 90-degree Standing Patio Fan. The Lasko 90-degree Standing Patio Fan offers a winning combination of powerful airflow, modern design, and thoughtful technology, making it an excellent option for patios, bedrooms, and living spaces. Its adjustable height, scaling up to 54 inches, and sleek elevation tower design make it highly adaptable, whether placed beside patio furniture or indoors for room-wide cooling. This fan delivers impressive airflow, boasting a 90-degree oscillation and a speed capability of 31 feet per second, effectively cooling spaces up to 40 feet away. It's controlled via a convenient remote, allowing you to adjust settings without leaving your seat. Operating at a quiet 28 decibels, this fan is ideal for environments where minimal noise is appreciated, such as during TV time, conference calls, or restful evenings outdoors. A standout feature is its AirSense technology, which intelligently optimizes airflow by responding to room temperature. It offers 4 adaptable modes, including auto and sleep settings, ensuring optimal comfort throughout the day and night. The customizable experience continues with 4 speed levels and 4 distinct wind modes, providing options from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust. This fan also includes a programmable timer, making it easy to set and forget. Whether you're using it indoors to complement air conditioning or outside on a shaded patio, this fan consistently delivers performance and versatility. Its thoughtful features and powerful, wide-reaching airflow make it a strong contender for anyone in need of reliable, adjustable cooling.
Number 4. Aigostar Outdoor Standing Patio Fan. The Aigostar Outdoor Standing Patio Fan is a high-performance, feature-rich solution for those seeking effective cooling in outdoor or indoor settings. Equipped with a robust 60W DC inverter motor and 9 aerodynamic blades, this fan generates a strong, natural breeze while remaining energy efficient. Its maximum airflow capacity of 2,000 cubic feet per minute ensures rapid and thorough air circulation, making hot, stagnant days far more comfortable. Designed with user convenience in mind, this fan features ultra-quiet operation, producing sound levels as low as 44 decibels. This makes it suitable for sensitive environments like bedrooms, offices, and nurseries. A 7.5-hour timer allows for automatic shutdown, promoting energy conservation without compromising comfort. It also offers 3 fan speeds and 3 operational modes: normal, natural, and sleep, enabling a customized cooling experience tailored to your needs. The fan's 80-degree oscillation capability ensures even airflow distribution throughout your space, while an adjustable height range of 41 to 48 inches and up-down tilt functionality make it highly versatile for various seating arrangements and room layouts. Whether you're lounging on the patio, working in your garage, or resting indoors, this fan provides targeted, efficient cooling. Controlled by an intuitive display panel or a handy remote, adjustments are effortless and convenient. The 9-blade design not only enhances airflow, but also reduces turbulence, contributing to its whisper-quiet performance. The Aigostar Outdoor Standing Patio Fan is an excellent investment for households or outdoor spaces where reliable, quiet, and customizable air circulation is a priority. Number 5. Powdeom Outdoor Standing Patio Fan. The Powdeom Outdoor Standing Patio Fan is a standout choice for those who value versatility and portability in a cooling solution. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this fan employs advanced airflow technology capable of circulating air up to an impressive 82 feet. It efficiently refreshes entire rooms or patios in minutes, making it perfect for gatherings, family evenings, or solo relaxation. Functionality is further enhanced by an ultra-wide oscillation range, including a 90-degree vertical tilt, manual, and a 120-degree horizontal swing, panel-controlled. Its adjustable height of 9.84 to 636.36 inches ensures flexible placement options. The inclusion of 8 wind speeds and an 8-hour timer provides a personalized and worry-free cooling experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.